Hello dear friends, most welcome to Indian Agrico's channel. I am Dr. Bubbly. आप सभी के लिए हम लेके आए हैं मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन फॉर द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ नेशनल सीड कॉर्पोरेशन, एग्रीकल्चर फील्ड ऑफिसर एंड फॉर इफको एग्जाम. The first question is, which of the following is a ripening hormone? Auxin, ethylene, cytokinin, and gibberellin. The right option is B. The next question is, selection of homozygous plants is, the right option is B. Pure line selection. The next question is, the causal organism of cotton wilt is Verticillium dahlia and Fusarium oxysporium. The right option is C. Both A and B is the right option. Question number 4. The disc plough have heavy draft because furrows too wide. Option B. Blunt disc. Option C. Loose beatings. And option D. All of the above. The right option is A. Furrows too wide. Next question is, papain is used in meat industry, textile industry, and option C. Both A and B. The right option is C. जो पेपेन है वो मीट इंडस्ट्री और टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री दोनों में यूज होता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, एन एडियाबैटिक प्रोसेस टेक प्लेस एट कांस्टेंट टेम्परेचर, कांस्टेंट हीट, कांस्टेंट एंथैल्पी एंड कांस्टेंट प्रेशर. द राइट ऑप्शन इज C. The next question is, the thermal efficiency of a tractor is in proportion to specific fuel consumption. Is option A unaffected, option B direct related, option C inverse, option D none of the above. The right option is C, inverse. The breeding crops for improved nutritional quality is known as, ये टर्म, इस टर्म को क्या बोलते हैं? बायोमैग्निफिकेशन, बायोफोर्टिफिकेशन, बायोमाइनिंग, and option D none of these. The right option is B, biofortification. The next question is, normal consumption of fuel in liter per hour by a 35 HP tractor is option A 3, option B 2.5, option C 4, option D 5. The right option is A, 3 liter per hour. The next question is, which type of parasite which weed is? Stem parasite, root parasite, semi-stem parasite, and semi-root parasite. The right option is D. Which weed is semi-root parasite? Question number 11 is, bitter pick in apple is due to the deficiency of which essential nutrient? Potassium, calcium, magnesium, and zinc. The right option is C, B, calcium. The next question is, the constituent responsible for the aroma of apple is, the option D is the right option, ethylene, ethyl to methyl. The next question is, the cold spark plug is used in IC engines, option B heavy engines, option C small engines, and option D none of these. The right option is B heavy engines. The next question is, the tractor of wheel can be improved by blasting rear wheels, option B using high hitch point as well as blasting rear wheels, option C using hitch point. The option B is the right option. Next question is triticale is developed by intergeneric hybridization of option A wheat and rye, option B wheat and barley, option C wheat and rice, option D rice and maize. The option A is the right answer. The next question is the basic function of a governor in an engine is to regulate power developed, engine की speed, fuel consumption, all of the above. The right option is B, the speed of the engine. The next question is the symptoms of black arm in cotton appears. The option B is the right answer when bacteria attacks on the stem. The next question is which of the following is a transmission dynamometer? Option A belt dynamometer is the right option. Next, moving CG of a tractor towards its front wheel creates a problem of instability, steering, overturning, and all of the above. The right option is B, steering. Which fruit is commonly known as fruit of New World? The right option is A. Avocado is known as fruit of New World. Late blight of potato was first introduced in India in which place? Option A OT, option B Punjab, option C Nilgiri Hills, option D UP. The right option is C Nilgiri Hills. The next question is Prabhani Kranti. A variety of bhindi is resistant to yellow mosaic of virus. Okay. The next question is which mango variety is stable for high density planting? Option A Sindhu, option B Malaika, and option C Amarpali is the right option. The power developed by an average pair of bullocks varies from bulls varies from constant volume, constant pressure, adiabatically, and constant temperature. The right option is A, constant volume. The next question is organic nitrogen converted into ammonia form is known as denitrification, nitrification, ammonification, and immobilization. The right option is ammonification is the process in which organic nitrogen converted into ammonia. The internal stability of a four-wheel tractor in a turning situation can be enhanced by the right option is D, increasing the radius of turn. The next question is paddy crop can absorb nitrogen in the form of the right option is A, ammonical form. Heterosis lost due to the continuous inbreeding is called hybrid vigor, outbreeding depression, inbreeding depression, none of these. The right option is C, inbreeding depression. The next question is the type of thrashing drum in paddy thresher. Option A rust bar type, option B hammer mill type, option C bag type, option D both A and B. The right option is C bag type. The next question is tractor seat suspension should have its natural frequency in the range of option A 2 to 4 cycles per second, 4 to 6 cycles per second, and option C 5 to 2 cycles per second is the right option. Vitamin A deficiency causes night blindness is the right option. The next question is, moving the center of gravity of a tractor towards its front wheel creates the problem of overturning, steering, instability, and all of these. The right option is steering. Steering is the right answer. The next question is, the only effective method of control of citrus canker is burning of affected trees, streptomycin, Bordeaux mixture, and tetracycline. The right answer is burning of affected trees. The next question is, what do you understand by the surface roughness of the tool? The option A, edge shape, option B, micro shape, option C, macro shape, and option D, gross shape. The right answer is micro shape. Requirement of phosphorus by the crop is maximum at which growth stage? At harvest, at initial and flowering stage, and none of these. At the initial stage for the root development, there is need for maximum phosphorus. The next question is, turning space and turning circle of the trader test must be preferred at a tractor speed of at any speed 2 km per hour, option C not exceed 2 km per hour, and option D exceeding 2 km per hour. The right answer is C not exceeding 2 km per hour. The next question is, movement of soil across a tool surface without sticking is known as turning, scoring, pulverization, inversion. The right answer is scoring. Whiptail disease of cauliflower is due to the deficiency of plant nutrient. The option A is the right answer. The next question is, the green manure crop is turned into the soil at the stage of the crop at flowering, option B tillering, option C harvesting, option D germination. The right option is A. At the time of flowering हम क्या करेंगे, इस green manure crop को soil के अंदर incorporate करेंगे. Next, compression pressure in diesel engine cylinder is option A 5 to 10 km per centimeter square, option B 10 to 20 km per centimeter square, option C 25 to 35 kg per centimeter square, and option D 35 to 45 kg per centimeter square. The right option is D 35 to 45 kg per centimeter square. The next question is, the king of fruits is called mango. Mango is the king of fruits. Target spot develops in leaf in which disease? Late blight potato, option B rice blight, option C tomato early blight, option D all of the above. The right option is C potato early blight. Development of embryo without fertilization is known as parthenogenesis. Penetration of disc plow can be improved by decreasing tilt angle, increasing disc angle. Option C both A and B. The right answer is A decreasing tilt angle. Choose the Pseudomonas bacteria which act as a plant pathogen. The option A is the right answer. P. Syringe is act as plant pathogen. Next, the pH value varies from 0 say 14. C is the right option. Which of the following chemical is generally used for polyploidy breeding? Okay, the option C cycocel, option B MS, option C colchicine, option D naphthalene acetic acid. The right option is colchicine is used for polyploidy breeding. It is an important instrument used for recording continuously the wind velocity of the air. Barograph, hygrograph, thermograph or option D, none of these. The option D is the right answer. इनमें से कोई भी continuously air की velocity को measure नहीं करता. The next question is plow generally used for breaking impervious layer just below plowing layers with the help of the number of times is known as option A chisel plow, option B subsoiler, option C disc plow, option D indigenous plow. The right option A is the right answer. Chisel plow is used. Bacteria blotch of cultivated mushroom is caused by. The option B is the right answer. P. Tolesi. Nutrient loving plant is citrus, banana, papaya, apple. The right answer is citrus is the nutrient loving plant. OPEC2 maize composites are richer as compared to normal maize in tryptophan and lysine, option B protein and lysine, option C methionine and option D lysine. The right answer is D. Lysine is richer, ज़्यादा होता है OPEC2 maize varieties में. Next, breeding for disease resistance require disease test, good source of resistance, plant hybridization. Option D, all of the above. All of the above are considered during the breeding for disease resistant requirement. Detrimental effect of host plant on the biology of insect is called antibiosis, tolerance, resistance or non-preference. The right option is antibiosis. The organic fertilizer is एक ऐसा फर्टिलाइजर है जिसको हम बोलते हैं ऑर्गेनिक फर्टिलाइजर और उसमें ऑप्शन है डीएपी, ऑप्शन बी म्यूरेट ऑफ पोटास, ऑप्शन सी यूरिया, ऑप्शन डी ऑल ऑफ these. The right option C is the right answer. Urea is called as the organic fertilizer. The rice blast is caused by the mycoplasma, option B by virus, option C fungus, option D bacteria. Bacteria is the causal organism for rice blast. Protray are related to processing, option B transport, option C post harvest, option D nursery. नर्सरी से रिलेटेड क्या है? पोर्ट्रे. The amount of water vapor in the air is called thrust. Option B fog, option C humidity and option D, none of these. The right option is C. Flint corn is generally grown in India, is also known by the name Gia maize indorata, Gia maize indentata, Gia maize avata, Gia maize sacerata. The option A is the right answer. Gia maize indorata is the scientific name of flint corn. Which gas is released from paddy field? The right option is B. Methane gas is released from the paddy field. The next question is the optimum plant population for maize for 1 hectare area is 66,000 is the optimum population for 1 hectare. High water use efficiency in which irrigation method? Option A drip, option B sprinkler, option C flood irrigation, option D none of these. The right answer is A drip irrigation. kg per hectare इक्वल टू पार्ट पर मिलियन और उसको मल्टीप्लाई में हम किसको ले जो केजी पर हेक्टेयर के इक्वल आ जाए तो वो राइट ऑप्शन है 2.24. ओके विच इज नॉन सिलेक्टिव herbicide? Butachlor, atrazine, elachlor and paraquat. The right option is D. Paraquat is non-selective herbicide जो हम मेनली फील्ड प्रिपरेशन से पहले अप्लाई करते हैं वीड को कंट्रोल करने के लिए. The next question is which one of the following is long-term persistent herbicide is 2,4-D, pendimethalin, glyphosate and paraquat. The 2,4-D is the herbicide which is persist for a longer time in the soil. As a thumb of rule, which part of plant is affected by the flag smut of wheat is upper part of the leaf, stem, root, every shoot of the plant. The option D is the right answer, every shoot of the plant. Meteorograph is used to measure upper atmospheric observation of एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर को मेजर करने के लिए टेम्परेचर ह्यूमिडिटी द ऑप्शन डी इज द राइट आंसर. मेटेरियोग्राफ इंस्ट्रूमेंट है इसके थ्रू हम मेजर कर सकते हैं एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर भी ह्यूमिडिटी भी और टेम्परेचर भी. मोस्ट एबेंडेंट एंड बेसिक ऑक्सीजन इज नेफ्थलीन एसिटिक एसिड, indole butyric acid, indole acetic acid and 2,4-D. 2,4-D अगर कंसंट्रेशन 2,4-D की कम है तो वो हार्मोन में इंक्लूड होता है प्लांट हार्मोन, लेकिन अगर इसकी कंसंट्रेशन ज्यादा है तो इसको हम एज ए हर्बिसाइड कंसीडर करते हैं. तो इस क्वेश्चन का राइट आंसर क्या है? इंडोल एसिटिक एसिड. Decomposition of organic matter results in an increase of acidity, salinity, sodicity and alkalinity. The right option is A. Acidity. जब organic matter का decomposition होता है तो उसमें H positive रिलीज होता है जिसकी वजह से acidity soil की increase हो जाती है. Cultivation of durum wheat is primarily confined to central and southern India. Option A is the right answer. Molia is a disease of wheat is the right option. Next question is grassy shoot disease was first noticed in India, Gujarat, Maharashtra, UP and MP. The right option is B. महाराष्ट्र के अंदर ग्रासी सूट डिजीज सबसे पहले नोटिस की गई थी. ओके. कार्बन, नाइट्रोजन, and sulfur ratio of the soil is 100:10:1. Option B 100:20:1. Option C 200:30:100. Sorry. Option C 200:30:10. Option D 100:100:10. The right option is A. The C कार्बन की रेशियो होगी 100, नाइट्रोजन की रेशियो होगी 10 एंड सल्फर की रेशियो होगी 1. Sonalika and Kalyan Sona is the variety of the crop. ये किसकी variety है? Wheat की. The first genetically modified potato developed at Central Potato Research Institute for increasing protein content. Option A grain amaranthus. Option B pigeon pea. Option C chickpea. Option D field pea. The option A is the grain amaranthus. Finger leaf disease in cotton is caused due to the residual effect of which chemical? Mancozeb, 2,4-D, naphthalene acetic acid and chlorpyrifos. The right option is B, 2,4-D. Next, the panicle initiation stage in rice plant start when? Option A after boot leaf stage. Option B at any time after transplanting. Option C after maximum tillering stage. The right option is C. After maximum tillering stage के बाद ही राइस प्लांट या कोई भी अदर प्लांट है उसमें पेनिकल इनिशिएशन स्टार्ट हो जाता है. Next question is neck blast is a disease of rice. Next, center of origin of sunflower is option A Spain, option B Mexico, option C India, option D none of these. The right option is B. Mexico is the center of origin of sunflower. How many agroclimatic zones in India? The right option is C. 15. Nitrogen fixation in soil by rhizobium bacteria is increased by option A potassium, option B calcium, option C magnesium and option D the phosphorus. The right answer is phosphorus. Next, dropsy disease in human is caused by the weed Agrimon mexicana is the right answer. Agrimon mexicana. Gypsum is used for reclamation of saline soil, sodic soil, heavy soils. The right option is B. Sodic soil के लिए हम gypsum क्या क्या करते हैं? Application करते हैं और acid soil के लिए हम lime use करते हैं. The scientific name of burrowing टाइप नेमाटोड इज जो सोल को बोरो करता है वो है ऑप्शन बी इज द राइट आंसर रेडोफोलस. कॉन्टैक्ट डिजीज ऑफ राइस इज कॉज्ड बाय द राइस रूट नेमाटोड. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज headquarter of International Society for Horticulture Science is located at option A USA, option B Belgium, option C France and option D Brazil. The right option is B Belgium. The pathogen of rice blast or rotten neck is the option A is the right answer Pyricularia oryzae. The book Annals of Agriculture is published by option A Blackman, option B Arthur Young, option C Van Helmont and option D Jethro Tull. The right option B Arthur young. The next question is, it is a ratio of water deficit and potential evapotranspiration. The right option is A, aridity index. Water deficit divided by potential evapotranspiration is called aridity index. ओके फ्रेंड्स, मिलते हैं फिर नेक्स्ट क्लास में. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.